In this video, we are looking at Shuoer S15, their latest planar IM. They kind of refreshed their planar series this year. The S12 was very popular, and this one is supposed to be a follow up to that. But this one is kind of interesting. While the S12 was fairly cheap at $130, this is fairly expensive at around $330, and it is using the tech. Okay, there are some mixed opinions about this IM, but this is using a bit more tech here. They are using a passive radiator with this, and they have put in very good amount of effort into it. But the initial impression that I have been uh, getting, I haven't heard it, and this is going to be interesting. I do not deny that, but the initial impression is that this IM is a bit on the warmer side, and I asked a couple of my friends why we are not hearing about the Shuoer S15, and they are saying that yeah, we are comfortably aware of the S15, and this one is getting decent amount of traction in the market. But somewhere down the line, I still feel that we are not hearing about the S15 as much as we did about the S12 and S12 Pro. S15, let's see if we have some information here. Yeah, 3D printed shell and kind of stuff. Resin, okay, 3D printed resin. Impedance is slightly on the higher side at 30 ohm, and we are looking at 14.8 planar and 6 passive radiator. So this is the tech they have been uh, teasing us about, the radiator tech that makes a difference in their opinion. But there are some mixed opinion about it. Not a lot of guys are impressed with it. I was very curious about this case. Is it metal, is it plastic, or is it resin or something like that? So it seems it is metal, and that is what I was interested in. Is it metal? No, no. It's not metal. It's plastic, but it's hard plastic, and feels nice to the touch, and I like it. I like it. And this cable is very similar to what we get with the S12 Pro. So yeah, the cable is kind of similar. And what tips are these? These are vocal tips, and yeah, I want vocal tips or balanced ear tips. I'll stick with balanced. We will see. Let's see how balanced are this, and then we will see if I need the vocal tips or not. This is a good case. I like this case. Lightweight and fairly durable. Not as good as the EJ07M for sure, but this one is very good too. So anything else? No, nothing else. This plugs looks nice. Plastic, these are good looking plugs. No issues with the plugs at all. Let sure. Nice. Let me put all these aside, and we will look at the IM. Just before that, let's have a look at this. What is this? uh, some documentation and some information about the IM, I believe. Oh, it's a poster kind of thing. Okay, not bad. So yeah, it's a poster with some information about the IEM. So I do not need basic basics at least. So yeah, let's put this aside and we will look at the earpieces now. They are saying this is resin and it is lightweight. Wow, interesting. Very good looking design. I like this color. This is not a bad color, but it would have been nice if they had a slightly lighter color scheme. This one looks decent. I do not mind, but slightly lighter color would have looked slightly better, I think. In any case, this is a good looking IM, and should be comfortable inside the ear. Slightly more curvy than the S12s. So yeah, this is the back plate looking nice. I barely have any complaints about the design or anything like that. Could have been slightly more ergonomically designed since they have used resin here. In any case, this is a fairly good looking IM, well equipped too. So this is the unboxing of Shure S15. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.